Hello friends, I am Anil Goyal, founder and CEO of TechSavvy Consultants Private Limited. Friends, nowadays you must be coming across a lot of negative words, negative sentiments such as very tough time ahead, global recession, economic slowdown, cash crunch, liquidity crisis. These words are spreading even faster than coronavirus itself. So my suggestion would be to stay positive during negativity and during adverse conditions. At Capsavi, a lot of my clients have been raising similar concerns related to uncertainty of future scenario post COVID-19. And based on my discussion with them, I would share a few examples today and my top 4 strategies that can be implemented for our business, which I have been advising my clients also. And we can add value for ourselves, for our businesses. These strategies are short term in nature, maybe for 6 months period. And just to clarify, this slowdown, this economic slowdown is not for the first time. You must have come across a few of them. Very recently was 2008. So human history has witnessed many such recessions, and we have come out from those such recessions successfully. Maximum period is 1 year, 1.5 years, 2 years. So I would like to share a few examples of businesses, those who were ideated and started during recession period, and today they have become exceptionally good. Few of them include HP, which was founded in 1937, the worst recession in human history. Disney, 1929, and FedEx, 1970. Disney idea was to make people laugh during recession. Microsoft, 1973, oil crisis, and very recently Airbnb, which was founded in 2007. The recession period was 2008. So I would like to share some more inputs on Airbnb case, where original plan of Airbnb was to rent out or to supply air mattresses and on a rental basis. And immediately after its formation, the economic slowdown started, and Airbnb revamped the entire market by some new innovation, and they started renting out short-term living houses, the premises. And this was the only best low-cost option available for business community, because hotels rentals were very high, not able to afford, and Airbnb was the best option for them. And today, now we have seen the history. Airbnb is valued at $30 billion valuation. So based on Q from Airbnb example, my first value driver would be to be innovative, to innovate. So innovate doesn't mean that you also start something new venture or new product line altogether. No, my meaning is not that. Then what? See, my meaning of innovation means you think differently. Innovate something new related to your existing business system. So few examples could be improve or innovate in your financial management. But try to add new technique in financial management so that you effectively manage your cash. And another example could be try a new approach in your supply chain management. Try a new technique or new innovation in your manufacturing process. The basic idea is to cut the timeline. And when you cut the timeline, you reach market faster. And when you reach market faster, you improve your sales, you remain competitive in the market. And my second value driver is networking. See, this is the time where we can make best use of networking opportunity through a lot of options, lot of techniques available now, webinars or Zoom things and calls, video chats, one-to-one meeting also after the lockdown is over. So this would help you in gain additional knowledge, enhanced knowledge, and at the same time, you get multiple perspective post-COVID scenario. So when you get multiple perspective, there are chances that you can get some good ideas, inputs, which can be useful for your business as well. And when you meet people, when you talk to people, you have real good factor, because most of the people, most of the businesses will be selling in the same boat. So you feel, okay, I'm not alone. There are people similar to me. And my third value driver would be to plan your cash flow in advance, both incoming cash flow as well as outgoing cash flows for next 6 months to 1 year. Plan in advance. So your debtors also in the same boat. They are also having the same trouble which you also have. So don't expect too much recovery, too much from them. You need to plan your cash on a realistic basis. Focus on your cost reduction in an effective manner to remain cash positive. Try for cash sales. So even though the price will be low, even though the numbers will be low, but still cash sales is far better than credit sales, and that way you can be cash positive. And my fourth value driver would be to make firm plan. That is, make changes in your approach to do business. I'm not suggesting here to make changes in your business or to make changes in your business strategy. No, my suggestion is not that. You can keep your business strategy, core values, objectives intact. No need to change. My suggestion is to implement fresh approach. Think differently, totally differently. Prepare multiple plans. So based on the outcome of COVID-19, depending on changing mood of the consumer, depending on logistic dynamics. Logistic dynamics means, suppose you are doing business in Bombay. Situation of Bombay may be different than situation of other states, and if you are doing business in other states, definitely there will be some time gap between your lockout period over versus other states lockout period. So logistic dynamics would be different. Based on all those scenarios, you have your plan A, B, C, or it can be global trend will be changed. One country will be on a different scale altogether. Second country will be different. So you think of going to other continent, other countries, and expand your business and play your card as per the situation. So your plan A is not working out, go for plan B. Plan B not working out, again review plan A, and accordingly you grow. But during lockdown period, especially this lockdown period, you must be ready with your firm plans. I hope I could add value to our lives as business owners. Thank you very much. Stay safe and best wishes for early recovery for all of us. Thank you very much.